Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. In the previous class we have learnt about linear equations in one variable. Let us have a small recap. What is an equation? Yes, two algebraic expressions when connected with the sign of equality form an equation. What is an inequation? Two algebraic expressions when connected with the sign of inequality, that is either less than or greater than, form an inequation. What is linear equation in one variable? An equation which contains only one variable with highest power 1 is called a linear equation in one variable. In today's class, we are going to learn about solving linear equations. How do we solve the linear equations? Yes, the value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called solution or root of the equation. Solving a linear equation means to find the value of the variable which makes both the sides of the equation equal. Every equation has a left hand side and a right hand side. Now, without changing the value of the equation, we can add, subtract, multiply and divide both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number or variable. Rule of transposition. What do we mean by transposition? Yes, transposition is changing the position of the variable or constant from the left hand side to the right hand side of the equation and vice versa. Rule of transposition. Any term from one side of an equation can be moved or transposed by the other side of the equation by changing its operation. That is, addition becomes subtraction and vice versa, and multiplication becomes division and vice versa. Let us see the examples. The first one, 2x plus y is equal to 3. Now we are shifting the variable 2x to the right hand side of an equation. So y is equal to 3. This is plus 2x. When it comes to the next side, it becomes minus 2x. The next one, 3x is equal to 2. We are writing this equation in terms of x. X is equal to, when it is in multiplication, when it moves to the next side, it becomes division. 2 divided by 3. Is it clear, children? Yes. Addition becomes subtraction and vice versa, and multiplication becomes division and vice versa. Example 1. Solve 3 into 2a minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 14. So here we have to find the value of the variable a. So let us solve this one. 3 into 2a minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 14. So the first step, we have to simplify the left hand side of an equation. Now multiply this 3 with the terms inside the bracket. 3 into 2a. What's the value of 3 into 2a? Yes, 3 2s are 6, 6a. Plus into minus is minus, 1 3 is 3. Plus 5 is equal to 14. 6a. Now we can simplify these two constant terms. When it is in two different signs, we have to subtract and write the greater number sign. So what's the value here? Yes, the difference between 3 and 5 is 2 and the greater number sign is positive. So you have to write here plus 2 is equal to 14. 6a is equal to, Now we are transposing this plus 2 to that side. So it becomes minus 2. 6a is equal to, what's the value of 14 minus 2? Yes, 12. So a is equal to 12 divided by 6. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. So the value of a is equal to 2. Let us check the answer. Take the LHS. 3 into 2a minus 1 plus 5. It is equal to, substitute the value of a is 2 here. 3 into 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 5. It is equal to 3 into, what's the value of 2 into 2? Yes, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Now we have reached your RHS. So the equation 3 into 2a minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 14 when a is equal to 2. Is it clear, children? Yes. Example 2. Solve the given equation and check your answer. 2y minus 7 minus 5y is minus 21 is equal to 0. So let us simplify the left hand side of an equation. 2y. Now we have to bring this minus sign inside the bracket. Minus into plus is minus 7. Minus into minus is plus 5y. Minus 21 is equal to 0. Now we can simplify these two terms. What's the value of 2y plus 5y? Yes, 7y. What's the value of minus 7 and minus 21? It's minus 28. Now we have to transpose this minus 28 to the right hand side of an equation. So what's the value? Yes, this minus 28 becomes plus 28. So y is equal to, now we have to transpose this 7 to the right side of an equation. Here this is in multiplication. When it comes to that side it becomes division. Yes. 1 7 is 7. 4 7s are 28. So the value of y is equal to 4. Now we have to check our answer. So take your LHS. 2y minus 7 minus 5y minus 21 is equal to, now substitute the value of y as 4. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 7 minus 5 into 4 is 20 minus 21, which is equal to 8 minus 7. Minus into minus is plus 20 minus 21. Plus 8 and plus 20 is 28. Minus 7 and minus 21 is, when it is in same sign, we have to add and write the same sign, is equal to 0. That is your RHS of an equation. Is it clear, children? Yes. Example 3. Solve 2d by 7 plus 6 is equal to 10. So here we have to find the value of d. 2d, here the denominator is 7, here the denominator is 1. So you have to take LCM for these two numbers. What's the LCM of 7 and 1? Yes, obviously it's 7. So this side you have to multiply by 7 both the numerator as well as the denominator. So what's the value of 6 into 7? 42. Now we can cross multiply this one to that side, or we have to transpose the number 7 to that side. When it is in division, when it goes to that side, it becomes multiplication. Yes. 2d plus 42 is equal to 10 into 7 is 70. So 2d is equal to 70. This plus 42, it becomes minus 42. What's the value of 70 minus 42? Yes, 28. The value of d is equal to 28 divided by 2. 1 2 is 2, 14 2s are 28. So the value of d is equal to 14. Can you understand? Yes. Let's have a small recap of what we have learned in today's class. Solving linear equations. Solving a linear equation means to find the value of the variable which makes both the sides of the equation equal. Rule of transposition. Any term from one side of an equation can be moved or transposed to the other side of the equation by changing its operation. That is, addition becomes subtraction and vice versa, and multiplication becomes division and vice versa. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.